Welcome to HAMK University of Applied Sciences in Hämeenlinna, where education meets innovation. Join us as we explore the beautiful campus and discover what makes HAMK a remarkable place to study. In the building C, you will find the auditorium, the student desk, as well as the student union HAMK. Take a break in Building D, home to our cozy cafe and spacious lunch area. It's the perfect spot to relax, refuel, and connect with friends. On the second floor, you will find our modern library. Building S is the home to our esteemed nursing program. In Building E, our design factory, students transform ideas into reality. H building is where both the gym and the footwear design studio is located. Surrounded by natural beauty, HAMK University of Applied Sciences offers a serene and inspiring environment for learning. With easy access to modern facilities and a supportive community, HAMK is more than just a place to study. It's the place for better makers.